Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to change the music length on your Facebook story using your phone. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app and tap on Create Story. Then select either a photo or video from your gallery. For now, I will just go with this one. And then tap Music option. Now search for the song you want. I'll just go with this one. Now tap on the sticker to view the timeline slider. Use it to select which part of the song you want to play. For photos, the music will usually play for 15 seconds. For videos, the music length will match the video's length up to 20 seconds or more. Once you have trimmed the music to your liking, tap Done. You can hide the sticker if you want. Add any extra text or stickers and tap Share to Story. And that's it. You have now changed the music length in your Facebook story. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and comment below if you have any queries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.